It's white, but it's white tea women, black men, illicit sex in the 19th century South, by a white tea woman, Martha Hodes. In this book, she does provide a right to comfort. So I do try to warn people if they want to read these books, you got to be aware of how of the white beaties. So she does not paint white tea woman in a picture of being the real aggressor in other ways. It's very light, but it's all in documentation, court papers, that these relationships were actually very normal. And the reason why no one had a problem with it is because the white tea woman would then become, after she married if the enslaved black man, she would then become the property, not legal. In the wills, it said indentured servant, so she wasn't really a slave, and she could navigate by herself, something that enslaved people couldn't do. But she actually she would become enslaved to the white tea man that owned the black man, and then also the children would become property of that white tea man. So that white tea man had motivation to get those relationships going, and then of course they had to make another law saying that if she was coerced into doing it, then she would get her freedom. So it's a lot of their laws is just always to cover each other, always to cover the last one, over the cover the last one.